We are here today to replace the engine because this thing failed a compression test. But I want to go ahead and show you guys how to perform a compression test. So let's take a look at this one here. We know it's going to test bad, but I want to at least show you guys how it looks. Got one cylinder testing good, one's not. So I'll show you here just shortly. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by unhooking the spark plug wires and taking out both spark plugs. Once we get both of these spark plugs up, we're going to go ahead and get our compression test kit together. And this one I already have the right adapter on it. We're going to screw that in. We're going to do them one at a time, but both have to be out. So we're going to start with the front one, and we'll go from there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start screwing this on. While he's getting that together, what we're going to do is during the test, we're going to make sure that the gas is off. And as you can see right back here, the gas is off. I don't want the gas. We got the gauge hooked up to it. We're going to go ahead and crank this in manual, and then we're going to watch the gauge here for this. That one did absolutely nothing. So now we're going to go ahead and hook it up to the back. All right, we got it hooked up to the back one now. We're going to go ahead and crank it again. All right, that one's putting out what, about 170?